Realtors, it's Laura with KG Legacy Group at Keller Williams Advantage 2, and I've got an exciting invite just for you. We're hosting a broker's open house at 2987 South Atlantic Avenue in beautiful Daytona Beach Shores on Friday, November 1st from 1 to 4 p.m. You're not going to want to miss this one. This stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom beachfront condo is in the gorgeous Ocean 5's Condominium, and it's all about that oceanfront lifestyle your buyers are dreaming of. We'll have food, drinks, raffles, prizes, and did I mention mimosas? Because what's a beachside open house without a little bubbly? So come by, network with other agents, tour this incredible listing, and maybe even take home a prize. We can't wait to see you there. Again, it's November 1st. From 1 to 4 p.m. at 2987 South Atlantic Avenue, Unit 801 in Daytona Beach Shores. Bring your buyers, enjoy some great company, and let's make it a fun and productive afternoon by the beach. This is Laura with KG Legacy Group. See you at the Broker's Open House.